Yeah, good thing. I don't have anything negative to say, so that's easy. My name is Jakob. I'm from Denmark, and I'm the lucky winner of a trip to IWC and JLC here in Switzerland.
Hello, my name is John. I'm from the UK. It's been a fascinating few days.
Yeah, hello, my name is Sebastian. I'm from Germany, and I'm also a happy participant of the WatchAdvisor manufacturer tour in 2022.
Matt here from Denmark. I have been interested in collecting watch for maybe almost 20 years.
Hello everybody, my name is Christian. I'm basically German, but I live in Austria now since 10 years already. Thankfully I'm part of this journey. I'm a fan of WatchAdvisor. I watch it on YouTube.
So hello, I'm Min. I'm from Switzerland. I'm very happy to be part of this experience. First day at IWC and second day at Jaeger-LeCoultre.
Hi, Alexander from Germany. I watch WatchAdvisor since I think 3 years now, and I always like Alexander's reviews, and you notice that he has deep knowledge of the industry and how he talks about brands and stuff. You don't get it anywhere else, so I like it a lot.
So Bertrand, watch enthusiast for many years. I've discovered WatchAdvisors randomly, if I'm honest, back in the 2019 during Basel World, and I'm really happy to have been part of this amazing lifetime experience that I will keep thinking about for the years to come. Thank you so much, guys.
Don't forget to subscribe and to hit the bell to get our latest notifications.
I saw the tour advertised on WatchAdvisor, so I entered the competition thinking I don't stand much of a chance.
And then I got a call that I was picked out. I think it was 4,000 people, and we are 8 here, so it's a great opportunity.
Luckily, I was one of the winners. Actually, I didn't expect it, but for sure it's always worth to participate in such things.
So we are here at Jaeger-LeCoultre today. Yesterday we were at IWC, and it was really an amazing trip, and it was really something special.
Today we've come to Jaeger-LeCoultre, and my favourite manufacturer. I've got my reverso on today, of course. So we've had a fabulous day here today. A really interesting thing, which I've just forgotten, this morning we actually got to put together a case, a JLC case, which is the very same case that I have here. And it came in pieces with the screws, and we put together the case. So that was very memorable.
Which is a little bit difficult with small screws and stuff like that, but we had some great teachers, so that was a great experience.
I think the most extraordinary thing today was that we could really work on a piece and try the perlage ourselves. And I think touching things is like always incredible and a really great experience, which you cannot have in front of your computer or just via TV.
I really like the visit of Jaeger-LeCoultre. I'm very happy to be here and to bring my watch, my reverso, back here at the factory. It was an amazing experience. This is a special engraving made by Eddy Jacquet. I saw his work for MBNF, and I get in touch with him, and I was able to have an engraving from him. I'm very happy. This is a place near Neuchâtel. I like the engraving. It makes the watch very unique. I'm very happy about this engraving.
The food, of course, in both places was fantastic.
And now we've just finished the trip to see the factory, and where the stamps from the hard metal to the small decoration.
It's been very excited, long day, very new experience for me to understand the process of producing a watch from start until to become a watch and deliver. It's very interesting to see and a lot of how to call it, mancraft to do this tiny work. A lot of them even very tedious work. I would not able to do that the same as the watchmaker they can do.
We got to see the polishing, and it was absolutely amazing what he came up with. They polish the watch in one of the watches, 80 different sections, and that's done twice. So that was very impressive.
Diamonds and enamel decorations, so it's been great. And now we're in the museum and look at all the old clocks and watches, so it's been an amazing trip, and I met a lot of amazing people, sweet people.
I'm very lucky to be part of this unique experience. I watched the channel for a few years, perhaps. I watch all the videos, and I'm very happy about the content and the different analysis made by Alexander.
The visits at IWC and Jaeger-LeCoultre were awesome because you had like workshops, you saw how the products were made, you had nowhere else you can see this. Like if you walk in a boutique, you don't have this kind of knowledge you get from here. So it was awesome. I'm speechless almost.
So several of the watches that I've bought, I've gone to the WatchAdvisor site just to check his opinion, because I value his opinion. He has the same wrist size as myself, so I can compare the watch, how it will suit me or not.
I came actually to this trip because I regularly watch WatchAdvisor content, and it's really nice because it's high quality content. I really like Alexander's hands-on reviews and also his insights from the industry, which are first-hand and not like somewhere else, maybe just things you heard or read on the press. So that's very nice, and all his contacts, and yeah, I really enjoyed my time here, and yeah, I'm looking forward to my next IWC watch and maybe also my next Jaeger-LeCoultre watch. So yeah, it's something I really enjoyed, and thank you again, and yeah, it was really a pleasure.
At the end, it's bring a great experience, very memorable, and I would definitely want to enjoy such a trip again next time.
Thank you, WatchAdvisor, for these 2 days. I hope there will be more in the future.
It has been an amazing few days, and I'd just like to thank, first of all, WatchAdvisor for their setting up of this tour, and Alexander in particular, who's been really helpful, and obviously IWC and Jaeger-LeCoultre.
Thanks a lot to WatchAdvisor, and if you see a competition on WatchAdvisor, just go for it.
So you saw some passionate people, and everything was organized this time from the founder of our company, Valery Stepanov. Valery, thank you very much for organizing all this and making it possible. As we just saw, they are smiling. They all wear a smile. They are so speechless that they don't know even what to say in front of the camera, and it was amazing. Thanks to organize it.
Thank you so much, Alexander, and it was an absolutely super cool experience. And I asked the watch aficionados, and they collect watches and they have watches, and some have 1 and some have 5. And I asked them, hey, how do you feel? And they said, you know, it's like visiting a manufacturer. It's like the first kiss of your girlfriend. You will never forget this. This is so nice. So, and they are super excited. And we are very tired now. We go home, and we have to proceed all the memories and all the experience. It was absolutely amazing. And with Jaeger and with IWC, absolutely incredible experience. Thank you so much.
And, yeah, guys, and now please, Jorge, you take off your headsets.
Jorge.
We keep the camera, come here.
Come.
Now, no video without our cameraman. No video with our cameraman. Thanks for watching. This is WatchAdvisor, Jorge, Valery, Alexander. Bye-bye. And many more, of course, but only 3 here. Bye-bye. Bye, guys.
Ciao.
Cool, guys.